In this lesson, we're going to talk about expenses, and this is where the list can go on and on and on and on and on. As you can see, it's really, really long. So I'm just going to highlight the main accounts that you want to pay attention to. Most of these accounts are pretty typical. You've got dues and subscriptions and so forth. With automobile, I really like to have a subcategory so you can break out how much is your gas or fuel, insurance, repairs and maintenance. That way, if things are out of whack for budget purposes, you can kind of see where it goes crazy. You can see where it's out of, maybe you had to get new tires, and that's why February's net profit is so low. Insurance is another area where it's really a good idea to separate the different kinds of insurance, like property insurance, vehicle insurance, and workers' comp insurance, health insurance, stuff like that. Payroll is another one that's mission critical. You want to make sure that your wages are separated, and oftentimes when you do tax returns, you need to see how much of those wages are officers' wages. But at the end of the day, you want that number to match the payroll return sent in for the W-3. So it's very important that that gets separated out from payroll taxes that are paid. And then as far as the rest of it goes, that you can get caught in the weeds of it, I just recommend that you try not to put things under miscellaneous, because that's where things are often lost. You want to create an account. Sometimes if you're not sure where to put something, you can say, ask my accountant, and then you can call and ask the person that is going to be preparing the tax return, where do I need to put this? So that is basically the brief overview of expenses and how to code those expenses that a company will see in a transaction.